Hi everyone, here we've got REALME X3 SuperZoom and let me show you how to add photo to a contact. So first of all, let's open the dialer and go to the contacts. From the list, simply choose the contact you want to edit, click on Edit Contact and tap on the camera icon. From this level you can either take a photo or choose a photo, so let me pick a photo. For example, this one. Crop photo, and from this level you are able to change the square size, and at the same time you can see what you will see after saving the whole step. So I think it's quite okay. Click on Done and click on Save. As you can see, we've just added the photo to a contact. If you want to remove it, simply do the same, recreate all steps, so Edit Contact, tap on this camera icon and click on Remove Photo. Click on Save and it has been removed. So that's all. This is how to add a photo to a contact in REALME X3 SuperZoom. And if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.